Hello and welcome to this tutorial video which shows you how to work with Housekeeping app. When you as housekeeper log into your account, you will view the list of tasks for today. You can click on the arrow in front of today and select your desired task date to have its task list. You can also click on the three dots on the top right corner to report a general issue. You click on each task to view its details. Then you can click on Start to begin your task. Note that when your task is in progress, you can leave a note by clicking on its link or three dots on the top right corner or clicking on its related link. You can also report an issue by clicking on its link or three dots on the top right corner or clicking on its related link. You should select the issue type and its priority from the drop-down menu. You should add description and attachment and click on Submit. Note that you can edit or delete your notes and issues anytime. Note that you cannot delete the urgent reports anymore since they are submitted based on their urgency. You should also change the access code before clicking on Finish. The sleep arrangements can be edited as well. Note that as soon as you click on the Finish button, its condition becomes completed on the task list.